So right now what we're doing is baby has she has a tune-up, but what we're basically doing is cleaning the fuel injectors. The fuel injectors is the pistons in your engine that makes your car go up and down every time you accelerate. So right now it's not accelerating properly, but we know that we have the proper treatment on our car. So basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna use some of this lubricants. Is basically gonna lubricate our cars, lubrication for the injection cleaners and the threads for up to 25-gallon gas or diesel. So if you have gas or diesel, it's fine. Hey, let's get into it, guys. Let's go, baby. Let's go. We're gonna let that sit in there a little bit. Baby said we're gonna get every drop we pay for. Pay for your shit. So these are just a little thing, minor things you can do to keep your car updated. I'm really proud of my fiance. She does a good job with her car. You know, to all the ladies out there, it doesn't take a lot. You just have to stay on top of it. Oil change, tune up. You know, just a little small stuff for your car can stay cool. You know, you treat your car fair, your car treats you fair. These guys.